Good morning, class!
Good morning, teachers!
Okay, so I am Jackielou or just Teacher Jackie. I am Elma Oseba, or you can call me Teacher Elma. And we are your math teachers. So let us all stand up for our prayer. May I call on Miss Jackielou to lead the prayer? Are you ready to pray, classmates?
Yes, we are.
Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Our Father who art in heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us into test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Please remain standing for our energizer. Before you sit down, please make sure that no pieces of paper or trash under your chair. And please rearrange your chairs also. If there is nothing anymore, you may now take your seat. So, allow me to check who is present today. So, cancel for your attendance.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. Everyone is present. So we need that perfect attendance, everyone. So before we proceed to our next topic, let's recall our topic last meeting first. What was it all about? Miss Maijin?
So last meeting we discussed about the formula of the slope, and given the 2 points, and the slope is written in the form of m equals rise over run, where rise is y sub 2 minus y sub 1, and run is x sub 2 minus x sub 1.
Very good. It feels great that you still remember our topic last meeting. So before we will proceed to our discussion today, we have here a divisional activity which is entitled Classify My Form. Please read the instruction, Ms. Eliza.
So for the activity, classify either linear equation, either an equation presents in standard form or in slope-intercept form through separately putting the flashcards to their corresponding boxes.
So I will distribute the flashcards. Please give this back. So you have to classify that flashcard if it is either a slope-intercept form or standard form, if it's through putting them in their corresponding boxes. So first, Mr. Joel.
So I have y is equals to negative 3/4 x plus 1. So I think this will be slope intersection.
Very good. Next.
I have y is equal to negative x plus 19 in standard form.
Very good. Juliet.
So I have y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 5, and I think this is slope intercept.
Very good.
Right, so I have here 3x minus y equals 7, so I think this is standard form.
I have here 2x plus y equals negative 4. It is in standard form.
Very good, Mikey. Next.
I have y is equals to 5x minus 2, and it is intended for slope-intercept form.
Very good. So we have here two equation, 3x plus 6y plus 12 is either written in standard form or slope-intercept form. So now, who can we have an idea of what was topic and what is our topic today? Yes, Jovel?
Based on the activity, I think it will be pattern and algebra.
So patterns and algebra, very good, Jovel. So our objectives are for knowledge to distinguish a standard form of linear equation from slope-intercept form. For our skills is to write the linear equation ax plus by equals c in the form y equals mx plus b and vice versa. And for our attitude is to relate the forms of linear equation in two variables in real life situations. So remember, please read Miss Eliza.
Remember, standard form ax is equal to ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. A is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0, and slope-intercept form, where y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. M and b are real numbers.
Okay, thank you for that, Ms. Eliza. So in writing standard form of a linear equation to slope-intercept form, let us isolate the variable y in the left side of the equation. So we have here an example. We write the equation negative 3x plus y equals 7 in slope-intercept form. So our solution for that is given negative 3x plus y equals 7. So we have to use additional property of equality. So we have to add both sides 3x. So negative 3x plus positive 3x is 0. So we have to produce a negative inverse. So it will become y equals 7 plus 3x, and then we have to use the identity property for addition. And then the answer is y equals 3x plus 7. So our next, so to write the slope-intercept form, negative y equals mx plus b to standard form ax plus by plus c equals 0, let m equals to a or b, collect all terms on the left side of the equation and multiply by the denominator b to get rid of the fraction. So we have an example. We write the equation y equals negative x plus 4 in the form ax plus by equals c. So may I call on Ms. Margie to discuss today's solution?
So we have the given problem, y equals negative x plus 4. Then we will use addition property of equality. So it turns to y plus x equals negative x plus 4. Then using associative property for addition, it turns to y plus x equals quantity negative x plus 4. Then additive inverse, y plus x equals 0 plus 4. Then y plus x equals 4. Using the identity property for addition, then when using commutative property for addition, it will be x plus y equals 4. Then in standard form, the y equals negative x plus 4 turns to x plus y equals 4.
So thank you for that. So this is the solution for our example for slope-intercept form. So now, do you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So those are the rules and considerations in the writing standard form of a linear equation to slope-intercept form and vice versa. Do you have any clarifications or questions, everyone?
Not so far.
So if there is no more clarifications, we will proceed to our activity, which will be given by teacher Jackielou.
All right. Did you learn something from the discussion class?
Yes, teacher Jackie.
Very good. So that means you're ready for an activity, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's the next activity. Remember this because you've understood the discussion. So I have here a group activity. So for group 1, we have pre-match. So that means we write and match. And for group 2, we have set to my standard. So group 1 will be the first row and group 2 will be the second row. Okay, so here are your activities. So for group 1, please read this GB.
Rewrite the following equation in column A in the form y mx plus b and find its corresponding slope-intercept form in column B. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper.
So I have here the answer sheet. So given here in column A are equations in standard form. So you will rewrite this into a slope-intercept form. So you will match afterwards. So this is your answer sheets. Then for the group 2, is read this PG.
Give the equivalent standard form of each linear equation written in slope-intercept form. Answers can be found inside the box. Use a separate sheet of paper.
So same with group 1, group 2, I also have here your answer sheet, and given in your answer sheets are equations in slope-intercept form. Now you will write it into standard form and the answers can be found in the box. So here is your answer sheet. You may now work with your group mates and answer the activity.
Can you move the chair?
Yes, you need to move your chairs. So you can do that in minutes. Okay. Okay, so are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
How about
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, 1 more minute for group 2. Okay, so group 2, are we done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so please rearrange your chairs. Then you will check your answers. Okay, so group 1 will check group 2's answers and group 2 you will check group 1's answers. So here are the answer key. Let's start with group 1. So here are number 1 and number 2. Yes. Okay, so next numbers, we have number 3 and number 4. So the givens are 10x minus 2y equals 20. Here the answer is y equals 5x minus 10 and also equals 4. Then we have number 5. So given is 4x plus 16 minus 8 equals 0. The answer is y equals 1 of x plus 2.
Yay!
Okay, so are you done group 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, group 1, please check wait first. So we have here the matching part. So for number 1, that is matched with letter F. Number 2 is for letter E. The number 3, letter A. And did you copy group 2?
Yes, ma'am.
The number 4, letter D. And number 5, letter B. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so group 2, answer D. Group 1 is follow. We have here number 1, number 2. Okay, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay, done. Very good. Okay, so you will now pass the answer sheet. Now, okay. Wow, so group 1 got a perfect score. And group 2 also. Very good. So that's what I told you about, right? It's easy. So you will
able to answer the activity. Now, to further enhance your understanding on our topic today, we have here a real life situation. So you will read and analyze the situation so that you can answer the questions that follow on a one-half sheet of paper. So I have here a situation. Please read my situation.
Anna collected 2 kilograms of plastic bottles for their Christmas tree. She plans to collect an additional 3.5 kilograms each week.
Okay, thank you. So the questions are, first is you will write a mathematical equation describing the equation. Then number 2, you will complete the table. So given her the number of weeks, then based on your equation, you will write the number of kilograms. Then for letter C, using your answer in letter A, you will write the equation of the line in the form AX plus BY plus C. So it is understood that in letter A, you will have a slope-intercept form of an equation. Then for letter C, you will rewrite it into standard form, which is AX plus BY plus C. So this is an individual activity. So I have here a prepared answer sheet. You may use this. Okay. This class. Okay. So you can do this for 2 minutes. This is just time for 3 minutes. You can do this. Oh, you don't have. Okay. Sorry.
Teacher,
Yeah.
I doesn't have paper also. Here's your paper.
So sorry. Right. So this is the.
Yeah.
It's easy, right? Stop talking, you're answering your papers. Are we done?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now please. Okay, time is up. Please pass your answer sheets. So we'll check this tomorrow. Okay. So you were able to answer and you have followed the instruction also. Thank you. Very good, class. Now we will know, or we will dig deeper on what is the importance of learning these linear equations, especially in linear variables. So, as I recall, what is the standard form of linear equations?
Right.
No, the standard form of linear equations. Yes? Ms. Mikey?
AX plus BY equals
Very
C.
good. Okay, that's great. Then what is the slope-intercept form of an equation? Slope-intercept form. Yes, another answer from Maiden.
Y equals MX plus B.
Okay, so that is what we have discussed, what we have learned a while ago, right? So can we use these forms of linear equations in representing real life situations?
Yes.
Yes. So that leads now to our question number 3. What is the significance of learning and understanding both forms of linear equations? Do you have any idea? Mr. Minando?
To make predictions.
Yes, that's one. Yes, Miss Bermiola.
Calculators.
Yes, another one. You have something to share, Miss Vicky. How about you, Miss Liza?
Finding objects.
Yes, that's
location.
yes, that can also be, since we all know that linear equations are used in various fields, like in different areas in science. So this can be in either in making predictions, calculating rates, then making conversions, and also estimating income at a certain time, over time. So that is the significance of linear equations, understanding it, since it is the basic, one of the basic concepts in higher mathematics. So we all know that different areas in science or different branches in science uses this linear equations also, so that they were able to formulate hypotheses and make predictions as what we have mentioned. So those are the significance of learning and understanding both forms of linear equations. Now that you have learned and have shared your idea, let's proceed now to your assignment. So please will be bringing graphing materials such as graphing paper and notebook or notebooks, then ruler and pencil for next topic. For our next topic, okay? So that will be your assignment. So please copy this, or you can take a picture for your assignment. So that you will be reminded, okay? Okay, so I think that's a wrap, class.
Wait, Mom, I'm still copying.
Okay. So, done? Are we done? Okay,
Yes,
thank you so much. Now let us all rise for our closing prayer. Miss Elisa, please lead the prayer. Let us pray. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. All forgive my God, my Jesus, all forgive. Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Alright, so thank you so much, class, for your participation. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, class.
Goodbye, and thank you, teacher. Goodbye, classmates. Goodbye.
Say